This change, from tool to platform, is one of the biggest revolutions happening in the world of work today. To understand it deeply, we need to look at what each stage represents, why it happened, and how it's already transforming the way individuals and businesses operate. In the early years of AI, most people used it as a tool. You opened ChatGPT to write an email or brainstorm ideas. You used Midjourney to generate an image. You tried a transcription tool like Whisper to turn audio into text. Each one had its own purpose. You'd finish the task, close the tool, and move on to the next. This tool era of AI was very similar to how we used Office software in the early 2000s. We opened Microsoft Word for writing, Excel for calculations, PowerPoint for slides. Each program was separate, and we, the humans, were responsible for connecting them together. The limitation with this model was that you had to carry the context from one step to another. You were the glue between different tools. AI tools were helpful, but they didn't talk to each other. They didn't remember what you did yesterday. They didn't understand the full process you were trying to complete. They were isolated assistants, not collaborative systems. Then, something started to shift. Developers and companies began to connect these tools together through APIs, data pipelines, and automation platforms like Zapier, Make, and N8N. Suddenly, you could make AI tools talk to one another. For example, imagine you run a small digital agency. In the tool era, you might have used ChatGPT to write your sales email, Canva to design your banner, and Gmail to send your message. You'd do each step manually. But in the platform era, all of that can run automatically. Now, your AI system detects a new lead from your website, writes a personalized email using the customer's data, generates a matching visual with your brand style, sends it out, logs the contact in your CRM, and schedules a follow-up message 3 days later. You didn't just use a tool, you used a platform that managed an entire workflow from start to finish. This is the essence of the shift. AI has moved from helping you with individual steps to managing entire systems of work. It's gone from execution to orchestration. The key difference between a tool and a platform is integration. A tool performs one task in isolation. A platform connects tasks, data, people, and outcomes. Tools require manual control. Platforms create continuous, automated processes. Tools produce outputs. Platforms produce outcomes. Let's take a few examples to make this crystal clear. Example 1. Content creation. In the tool mindset, a creator opens ChatGPT, types, "Write a script about AI in business," copies the result, pastes it into Notion, tweaks it, then moves to Canva to design the thumbnail, and finally uploads everything manually to TikTok or YouTube. In the platform mindset, the same creator builds a content system. Whenever a trending topic appears, it's automatically added to a table. An AI summarizes the topic, generates multiple hook options, writes the script, and even drafts a caption with hashtags. Another AI designs a thumbnail. A scheduler then posts it automatically at the right time and records engagement metrics. The creator's role changes completely. They're no longer typing prompts. They're designing systems that handle the prompts automatically. That's the platform era. Example 2. E-commerce. In the tool model, an online store uses AI to write product descriptions. Each product gets its own generated copy, maybe an AI-generated image, and that's it. In the platform model, the store uses an AI engine that connects directly to its CRM, email system, WhatsApp, and advertising dashboard. When a customer browses the site and leaves without buying, the platform automatically identifies what they viewed, writes a personalized follow-up message, sends it by email or WhatsApp, and updates the analytics. If the customer replies, the same AI continues the conversation, answers questions, and completes the sale. No one is pressing buttons. The entire customer lifecycle runs inside the AI platform. Example 3. Recruitment. A small education agency might once have used a simple chatbot to answer student questions. That's the tool model. Now, in the platform model, the AI not only chats, it captures lead details, checks eligibility for courses, books appointments, sends reminders, generates email follow-ups, updates the CRM, and even informs a human advisor when intervention is needed. The AI is no longer a single program. It's an operating system for the agency's daily workflow. This transformation happened because of 3 technological changes. First, contextual memory. AI models can now retain long conversations, recall previous steps, and act based on stored information. This makes them capable of managing sequences of tasks, not just isolated answers. Second, connectivity. APIs, webhooks, and orchestration tools allow AI systems to trigger actions across different services. They can send emails, update spreadsheets, access databases, and fetch information without human help. Third, agentic reasoning. Modern AI agents can decide what to do next based on goals, not just instructions. You can say, "Find 5 potential clients in London and send them personalized introductions." The AI then plans and executes each step: search, draft, send, log, by itself. These capabilities combined turn AI from a reactive tool into a proactive collaborator. Now, what does this mean for individuals and businesses? It means the skill set required to win in the AI era has shifted. Before, success meant learning how to use a tool, writing the best prompt, exploring new features, or comparing outputs. Now, success means learning how to design a platform, connecting tools, structuring data, defining flows, and building automated systems that operate continuously. In other words, prompt engineering was yesterday. System design is today. Here's how you can start making this shift yourself. Step 1. Define your desired outcome, not the task. Don't say, "I want to use AI to write blog posts." Say, "I want to publish 2 SEO-optimized articles per week without touching a keyboard." A clear outcome forces you to think in systems. Step 2. Map your workflow. Write down every step required to reach that outcome. For content, it might be research, outline, draft, image, schedule, publish, share, analyze. That's your workflow skeleton. Step 3. Assign each step to an AI or automation. Which AI model handles writing? Which handles design? Which tool posts or collects analytics? Write those down. Step 4. Connect them. Use platforms like Make, N8N, or Zapier to connect each piece. The output of one step becomes the input of the next. Soon, your work becomes a continuous flow. Step 5. Add human checkpoints where quality or creativity matters most. You might review headlines, approve drafts, or choose final images. Everything else runs on autopilot. Step 6. Measure outcomes. A true platform produces data about performance, engagement rates, conversions, leads, or revenue. Review this data weekly and adjust prompts or rules as needed. You are now running a feedback loop, not just a task. This process works for creators, marketers, recruiters, educators, freelancers, and even entire companies. The moment you think in outcomes instead of tools, you enter the platform mindset. Let's revisit some real-world examples. OpenAI started with GPT as a tool. You could chat with it. Then it evolved into a platform with GPTs, an API, and integrations. Now businesses build their own products on top of it. Canva began as a design tool. Today, it's a platform where AI generates, edits, shares, and integrates with brand kits, marketing teams, and content schedulers. Notion started as a note-taking app. Now it's a platform with databases, AI writing, automations, and public APIs where teams manage entire companies. Shopify moved from an online shop builder to an AI commerce platform that connects inventory, marketing, analytics, and support, all in one ecosystem. Each of these examples shows the same pattern. Start narrow, connect the dots, then grow into a living system that powers other systems. So why does this shift matter so much? Because every time technology moves from a tool to a platform, new industries are born. When computers became platforms, we got entire software ecosystems. When phones became platforms, we got the App Store economy. Now, as AI becomes a platform, we're getting the intelligence economy, where value is created by autonomous systems that run on their own. Businesses that adapt early will multiply their productivity tenfold. Individuals who learn to design AI systems will have leverage that no manual prompt user can match. Let's imagine the near future. You wake up, and your AI platform has already checked your calendar, prioritized your emails, and generated a briefing for your morning meeting. Your marketing platform has posted new content and analyzed engagement. Your AI recruiter has screened applicants overnight. Your AI agent has updated your finances and generated a summary of business performance. You're not using AI tools. You're running an AI-powered life platform. That is where we're heading. The shift from tool to platform is not about technology alone, it's about mindset. A tool mindset says, I'll use AI when I need help. A platform mindset says, I'll build a system so AI can help me continuously. This is how productivity scales. This is how small teams compete with corporations. This is how one person can do the work of 10. So when you think about AI from now on, don't just look for the next tool. Think about the system you're building around it. Think about how each part connects, how data flows, and how the process repeats without your manual input. Because this is the real power of the AI revolution. It's not about making you faster at a task. It's about freeing you from the task altogether. We're stepping into an age where AI doesn't just answer questions, it manages operations. It doesn't just generate words or pictures, it builds outcomes. The shift from tool to platform is the shift from doing things with AI to building things that do. And that, more than anything else, will define who thrives in the years ahead.